back from after finishing your show and it's quite late, it's 11 p.m., almost 11 p.m. So how do you manage your life with such late hours and as a mother as well?
Oh, it's a loaded question, Aisha, and it's honestly it's an uphill task. मुश्किल काम है, आसान बिल्कुल नहीं है. I feel because मैंने बहुत बीच में ऐसे टाइम भी देखा है जब I've been on mat leave, जब I've been about to deliver and then after having a little baby in my hands, 1-2 महीने off तब लिए होते हैं. I honestly I feel like when I'm on the go और मैं सब चीज़ें साथ कर रही होती हूँ, I'm more productive and happier as a person. I'm a better mother, I'm a better wife, and just happier as a human being. So that I had to experience for myself after 3 kids. I have alhamdulillah 3 kids. और हमेशा with every baby लगता था कि oh my god ये अब मैं कैसे करूँगी. So वो ज़रा सा वो period आता है after maternity leave जब when you go back to work कि ज़रा overwhelming लगता है कि how I will balance. But honestly it's doable. हो जाता है. It's all about time management, and I think ख़वातीन को वैसे भी naturally multitasking is something that Allah has put inside us. I don't know whether we don't have a choice, yeah, we just do it well. कोई तो चीज़ है, and I look at men around me, उनसे multitasking नहीं होती. 1-2 काम साथ कह दो, and they do get overwhelmed. So it's hard, it's really hard. I feel कि सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो मेरी compromise हुई है, that's been my sleep. So I'm the last person in bed and the first to wake up. That being said, I believe that because of my working hours and because of my profession, flexibility बहुत है, and it actually works really well as a mother of 3 young kids. मेरे कोई reporting hours नहीं है, it's just कि मुझे अपना live show जो है उस घंटे के लिए, whether it's live or recorded, I have to be there. And of course फिर वो सारा homework उसमें डलता है. You're meeting a lot of people, you're interacting a lot to get information. पढ़ना लिखना बहुत होता है, but a lot of these things आप घर से भी कर सकते हो. Of course for my meetings and briefings I'm always out and about. But पढ़ना लिखना you do it at the comfort of your home. Following news I do it at home. So my typical day starts at 6:30 in the morning. I'll wake up with the kids, उनको नाश्ता करा के तैयार करके I send them off to school. I live in a joint family system, so मेरी जेठानी उनको सुबह लेके जाती हैं, दोपहर का pickup is my responsibility. So I send them to school, and usually if I've had a late night कि अगर 3-4 बजे सुबह सोई हूँ, then I crash again. And then I'll wake up again at around 12 o'clock. I'll go to the gym. Because मेरा होता है कि या तो मैं ऑफिस की मीटिंग्स अपनी या सुबह की रीडिंग या जिम अपना कर लूँ इससे पहले कि बच्चे स्कूल से वापस आएँ. Then I go to pick them up. उनका स्कूल is really far in Banigala, तो वो unto itself एक पूरा एक जर्नी होती है. Then I take my newspapers with me, उधर पढ़ लिए, अपने काम कर लिए, फ़ोन पे भी मीटिंग्स कर ली, and the gym is out of the way, which for me is very important. I need to be physically active and be fit, and I think वो मेरा एक पूरा pace और energy set कर देता है दिन की. बच्चे घर आते हैं, we go for swimming or tennis depending on what day it is. I was a professional swimmer, so I personally believe that it's very important for children to have one sport that they're really into. So I've divided the days up. We swim and we play tennis on जो भी दिन हो. We come home. होमवर्क होता है मेरी बड़ी बेटी का, रोज़ का होता है होमवर्क करना है. देन द कारिया कम्स ओवर, वो भी रोज़ आती हैं खैर से. सो ये सारा सिलसिला चलता है till 7 in the evening. तब फिर हम खाना खाते हैं, वी रीड अ बुक, एंड आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इट्स रियली स्ट्रेसफुल एज वेल. अब ये मैं आपको बता रही हूँ तो लग रहा है वो बड़ा वॉक इन द पार्क. इट्स नॉट. इट्स एग्जॉस्टिंग बिकॉज इवन वाइल यू डूइंग ऑल दिस पिकअप एंड स्टडीइंग एंड एवरीथिंग, सर पे एक तलवार तो लटक रही होती है कि यार शाम को काम पे जाना है और पढ़ना है और उसकी तैयारी करनी है और गेस्ट कौन हुए हैं और प्रोडक्शन है पूरी. सो ये एक तलवार लटक रही होती है. सो आई एम ऑल्सो ऑन कॉल्स ऑल डे. आई एम ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग न्यूज़. लाइव बीपर देना है, वो भी चल रहा है. कोई मसला पड़ रहा है, वो भी एड्रेस करना है. And by 7 o'clock I'm actually आहिस्ता getting restless because I know कि time पे इनको खाना खिलाना है, time पे and किताब, my kids love reading books. I read it to them, too young, but they're into books. So वो किताब भी पढ़नी है और उनको time पे सुलाना है, so I can pack them up and then go to work. So it suits me to do a 10 o'clock prime time show because I can pack them up and put them to bed and then go. So मैं रात को आती हूँ इस तरह जैसे like you walked in right now, so I've come home at this time and now this is my time to unwind. I've checked up on the kids, they're fine, they're sleeping alhamdulillah. Now I'll have my dinner, I'll unwind. I like to binge watch Netflix. So
आजकल आप Netflix पे क्या देख रही हैं?
Artugal. resurrection. It's Turkish history, it's Islamic history, and it's absolutely phenomenal. और it's just so addictive. मेरा और काशिफ का पूरी रात आजकल हमारा schedule, हमारी routine सब कुछ upside down हुई हुई है. Because we're sleeping at like 5-6 in the morning, like it's Fajr time and we're going to bed, and then he's going to bed. I'm still up because I have to still get the kids ready. So I don't have an option to go to bed right away. So it's madness these days. So I'm actually like a zombie. I'm hoping this gets done soon.
So what is it like being married to Kashif Abbasi?
Him, like being married to him as Kashif, or being married to a journalist?
Both.
So it's fun. I mean, being married to a journalist is interesting because, I mean, you understand the profession, you're a part of it, and it's fun exchanging information, or debate or discussion jari rehti hai, ikhtilaf bhi jari rehta hai. So वो एक मजे का, it's fun. It's a lot of intellectual stimulation. So I think वो बहुत fulfilling hai. And as a person, like Kashif himself, I mean, alhamdulillah, I think it's one of the best decisions I made. He's very open-minded. Assalamu alaikum, that's my dad. So he's just visiting from Lahore. My family lives in Lahore, mera meka Lahore mein hai. So I think as a life partner, these things are very integral, they're very important. You need to explore your full potential, and ये सारा balancing act जो है, there are times when I get really exhausted and I'm like, Kashif मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, like I'm so exhausted, and he's like, तो it's okay, छोड़ दो नौकरी, मैं तो नहीं कह रहा. So those days you're like, नहीं, because I'm not doing that per se for the money or for the fame or anything. It's just that is another side of me which feels, I mean, I feel exhilarated. I feel like I'm breathing and I'm alive when I'm doing that. So I've been blessed where I can pursue a career that I'm in love with, that I'm passionate about, or a understanding husband or a spouse, and understanding in-laws, I guess. So I've been blessed.
आप हमेशा से journalist
I had no idea. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I was a tomboy in my life, and as I told you, I was a professional swimmer. So I think growing up till O levels and A levels, I was swimming about 5 hours, training professionally a day, then studying, and then just like it was एक बड़ी strict किस्म की एक routine होती थी.
So did you design the house yourself?
Yes, I did, and I found a newfound passion. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि यार मैं I can be good at this. Growing up, my mother was really into laying out, a perfect dinner table and tea tables, and मेरी बहन थी who was always into decors and really creative. As I told you, मैं tomboy थी, so मेरा तो इन चीज़ों में एक रुझान ही नहीं था. So जब अपना घर बनाना शुरू किया, everybody was shocked. Even I was shocked at myself, at what I could come up with, and work with colors and designs and paintings. I mean, अपने मुँह में मिट्ठू नहीं बन रही. This might not be your taste, but I was really happy with what I came up with.
Would you like to show me around a little?
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to see the paintings?
Yes.
So this is my favorite piece. This is Tanvez, and he's phenomenal. I think ये इनके colors और एक vibe जो होती है इसकी painting में is really good. So ये मेरा favorite piece है because it's almost like you're in a dream. And I look, and just the face of the girl, it's beautiful. It's so it's innocent, but she's lost in transition somewhere. So this is my biggest favorite piece. And the story ये वहाब जाफर है, इसकी बड़ी बहुत funny story है इसकी. So we love colors, we love bright colors. So the colors attracted me first. मगर I was missing my sister a lot, and I think कि मेरी बहन तब बाहर रहती थी और हम साथ नहीं थे, और दो ही बहनें हैं हम. So I was missing her a lot, and I bought this because it's two girls, and honestly, weirdly enough, I think this orange one looks like me. Yeah, there's some resemblance. So I bought her, and मेरे काशिफ के best friend भी एक दफ़ा घर आए recently, and he's like, "Bhabhi, that looks like you." It was really weird, but actually that's how I connected with this, the colors and missing my sister. That's calligraphy over there. मैं आपको बता रही थी, I want more pieces of calligraphy. I'm still looking. अच्छे pieces मिले, खूबसूरत मिले, because I think घर में होना चाहिए काफ़ी. Should be you have Ayatul Kursi, Yasin, charcoal. It's just I like calligraphy a lot, but I haven't been able to. The ones I really am in love with, they're too expensive. And then that over there, I feel that speaks to my soul. That is Mohsin Kiani. He's an Iranian artist. और आप देखेंगे इस पिक्चर में मूवमेंट बहुत है. अब ये धमाल डाल रहा है, इधर ड्रम बज रहा है. There's a lot of movement in it. The Darvesh is just going round, and it's just, I love dancing. I love dancing. So I feel every time I hear music, and there's music anywhere, I want to get up, I want to dance, and it's just movement, and music is a part of my soul, I feel. I can't stop myself. I was telling you earlier, kids, wherever we are in a public place, if the music lagta and my feet start tapping, my husband has to be like, खबरदार उठना नहीं है. So that I think this speaks to my soul, movement and dancing and happiness. And then this is Brito. I lived in Canada for a long time. Jazz festival बहुत popular है Montreal के अंदर, you know, street festivals and carnivals and music and people dancing and having fun, and it's a depiction of a jazz festival, and it's again full of color and full of life. So I fell in love with this piece. We bought this while traveling. हम LA में थे, and Brito is a very famous international artist. I think he's designed a lot of things for a lot of different events, including the Olympics. So another favorite piece is also in my bedroom. Please ignore, it's a bit messy. But this piece. So I'm a big romantic at heart, and my husband's not romantic at all. So I think we complement each other. So, and I think he's a shy person. And I think I brought out the dancer in him, and I brought out the free spirit in him. And so when we do get a chance, जब अपने दोस्त हों या बस हम अकेले हों या ऐसा कोई माहौल हो जो कि बहुत कम होता है being public figures, this is just us. This is us dancing and having fun. So as a couple, this for me is us. This reminds me of us. This was also something I made when we got engaged, and I think it's falling to pieces. But I don't have the heart कि मैं उसको redesign करूँ. I gave it to him as a present. We had just gotten engaged. वो निकल रही हैं, ऊपर से शीशा टूट गया, but I guess for the emotional value I've just still kept it. It's a good time. Feels like yesterday. And yeah, so I try कि हम लोग travel करें और paintings collect करें, घर की चीज़ें like this different stuff. I got this from Sri Lanka. I got some stuff from Africa over there. So I like to जिधर भी जहाँ भी travel कर रहे हो, I just like to pick up जो भी practically is easy to move and easy to carry. I like to pick up some things. I haven't ever done cargo, जिस तरह लोग करते हैं cargo ship कर रहे हैं, never done that. But छोटी मोटी चीज़ें, if I do get a chance, I like to pick them up. So now it's a lot of fun. My mother told me initially when I moved कि सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं लेना, please. Enjoy your house, enjoy making it. कहीं ट्रैवल किया या कहीं गए, कोई चीज़ पसंद आई, कोई whether it's furniture, whether it's art or whether it's like decoration piece, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता collect करो. So my drawing room upstairs is almost empty. Because I have the furniture there, but I haven't actually done up the walls and the lamps and everything because I didn't want to कि एकदम ही साथ करके भी ये भी ले लो वो भी ले लो. She said ये ज़िंदगी का एक सफ़र है जिधर तुम enjoy करोगी चीज़ें pick up करना और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चीज़ें करना. So in my house I live in a joint family system, but it's really nice because बहुत freedom है that way. Like my saas doesn't mind, my jatani doesn't mind. I can do up the whole place according to my own taste. They're very laid back and nice that way. And so it's fun. ये मैंने एक नई चीज़ शादी के बाद discover की है कि यार this could be a passion. I could be good at this. I never thought I was. I always thought कि यार ये sense तो मेरी बहन में ही है. Very surprising for me. It still is. अभी जैसे if they're visiting from Lahore, if they come and I'm having a dinner party, she's just like यार I don't believe this is you. वो table लगी होगी like in a beautiful way, the layouts and everything or the menus, because she's like I always thought you were the lost child. You will never know how to, lay out a table or put a menu together. So it's nice. Like it feels nice when she says that because it's coming from a mother who has been on a pedestal and done things a certain way all her life. For her to recognize, you do a good job. That for me is a big compliment.
So, what's the worst and best thing about being a public figure?
I think the worst thing is criticism. People feel they have a right to say anything to you, and I think the एक social media के ऊपर एक किस्म की जो sense of anonymity है वो आपका बेड़ा गर्क कर देती है. People can do anything to you and not care about how वो आपको जज्बाती तौर पे, emotionally, नफ्सियाती तौर पे, as a person how it will make you feel. People will take a low blow at your family, at you, which I think is unwarranted, is unfair. But eventually you learn to deal with it. आप एक मोटी चमड़ी उगा लेते हो and you can deal with it. That comes with time. The good part, I guess, is the duaएं and the love you get from people who appreciate your work or like what you're doing. वो दुआएं जो दिल से लोगों की निकलती है ना, जब आप कहीं जाओ आपका हाथ पकड़ के कहें. Some, it's been amazing. Some of the closest things to my heart is parents actually stopping me and saying, you know what, my daughter wants to be like you. And there's this, I just remembered the other day this gentleman from New Zealand called and he said, I have 3 daughters and मैं उनको रोज आपका शो दिखाता हूँ, नन्ही बच्चियाँ हैं, I'm sure they don't even understand politics or current affairs. He said मैं रोज दिखाता हूँ, I tell them आपने इस तरह बनना है. So दिल इतना बड़ा हो जाता है, like you just like oh my God, अल्लाह माफ़ करे, हमारी औकात और हैसियत ही कुछ नहीं है, you know, but इतनी अल्लाह ने इज़्ज़त दी है, लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं, you know, that for me is the most rewarding bit. And I think also one thing when I started my dupatta as well, one thing also used to irk me a lot when, you know, people used to say you're a role model for my child. उस time पे कहते थे she wants to dress like you and she wants to talk like you, she wants the same nail polish, she wants the same jewelry. And it was very flattering. But then I used to sometimes feel कि यार, so these are like लाखों लोग watching and these little impressionable girls and probably young teenagers or whatever and wanting to be like me, for instance. And then if I'm sitting somewhere, I don't know, like, is it, why can't I be, if I can, be showing them, at least do, I mean, if you want to follow me, don't follow me for my fashion or my nail polish, then follow me for the fact that, you know, I can cover up and still be doing what I'm doing. And follow me knowing that I'm still comfortable and confident covering myself and doing it and still fashionable doing it. So I think that was something I used to often think about. Immediately मैंने तब नहीं किया था, वो तभी recently आके किया, but that was something I used to think, यार अगर role model बनना ही है तो थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा भी कर लो, ज़रूरी है कि एक ही तरह का बनना है. So I think ये बड़ी rewarding और अच्छी प्यारी बात है.
So what do you do when you're off screen? What kind of books do you read? What movies do you watch?
So I watch, as I told you, I mean, I don't watch a lot of movies. I watch Artugal and stuff on Netflix. I was watching Suits before that. I like stuff like Criminal Minds. I like anything that makes you think a lot and gets you really engrossed in it. Movies इतनी नहीं, काशा को बहुत शौक है, वो लगा दे तो I'll watch a movie or whatever. In terms of reading, we have a library over here. It's a small library because books आती नहीं है और उधर से निकल भी जाती है, लोग borrow कर जाते हैं. But we keep updating it. बाकी ऊपर रखी हुई है, उस side पे भी है, इधर भी है. It's a lot of history. It's a lot of Indo-Pak history, a lot of Pakistan ki history, a lot of like international affairs, a lot on terrorism. So it's every time we travel, we try to take a book with us, and usually I want to read what he's reading because it's just fun, just sharing it and making notes on it. He gets really irritated. They don't touch my book. I am reading my book. So then now I try to carry something for myself separately. So I think it's more fun that way. I think the trips we've had, जिधर हम books discuss कर रहे थे एक ही पढ़ के, those have been just more meaningful. I remember one time to India, we were reading The First Muslim together. And it was really interesting, just having this deep debate every day while reading and ये देखो तुमने वो पेज नहीं देखा. I think it's the same as watching Netflix now, by the way. कि तुम आगे ना चली जाना, मैं भी इस एपिसोड पे हूँ, तुम आगे चली गई, अच्छा मैं आगे चला गया, अच्छा the other one has to wait. I think it's good. Alhamdulillah, like, you know, I feel इस तरह की activities the only time you can actually have fun together and spend time together. Other than, of course, you know, taking your kids out to a park or playing with them and everything. Because I feel हमारे talk too much, don't I, Aisha? I talk non-stop.
It's good for me.
Yeah, I'm sure. So that's why my husband calls me Basanti. That's why. Have you seen the movie Sholay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know that I had never seen it. So he showed it to me because he kept saying Basanti. I'm like, what? Why do you keep calling me Basanti? So he's like, yeah, no, you have to see a movie. He showed me the movie. And I was like, oh God. So now you see, he thinks I talk non-stop. That's why he called me Basanti. But anyway, so yeah, what was the question?
Okay, we'll move on. What kind of people do you look up to?
I look up to honest people. I'm all about integrity. I'm all about honesty. I can't deal with hypocrisy. I cannot deal with people who are okay with lying. I feel that whatever it is, whether it's in the public domain, whether it's with the government, for instance, or in our private lives as a person, I'm all about honesty. If you're a friend, go murder someone, but just come and be honest with me. Don't lie. I'm one of those people who हर चीज़ माफ करने को तैयार है, just not dishonesty. That's something I can't deal with as a person. So I think I look up to people जिनमें integrity है, जिनमें character है और honest है. I don't really care about charm and paisa and charisma or like being, you know, very well traveled, for instance, or I don't know, उन चीज़ों की मुझे में इतनी appeal नहीं है. I'm also very antisocial, by the way.
Oh, that's shocking.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
So what was your childhood like?
It was lovely. It was amazing. We used to have these huge birthday parties. Birthday parties भी stalls की तरह होती थी, fun fair carnival की तरह. सारे बच्चे हम जमा होते थे. 1-2 महीने पहले we used to start planning. Stalls लगे हुए हैं different. We used to हमारे घर की Halloween parties were the biggest thing in school. हमारी birthday parties भी आप और मेरी joint होती थी. She's 2 years older than me. और Halloween party was like a school का affair. the whole entire school used to be invited. And keep in mind, my mother's also a school teacher. She was English literature teacher. So pura school invited hota tha. So we grew up having lots and lots of dance parties and apne bachon ki. I went to an all girls school and lots of like every year Halloween parties हमारा trademark था हमारा the Bukhari sisters का Bukhari house का. And I grew up like it was a beautiful childhood. मेरे भाई मुझसे 10 साल बड़े हैं, so I have only few memories while in the house, being very naughty with him, and then he went abroad to study, then visiting him in Montreal a lot. We used to travel every summer because मेरी वालिद की और वालदा दोनों की families बहुत scattered हैं all over the world. So there's a lot of traveling. Every summer 3 months used to be London or America or traveling. So a lot of traveling, a lot of happy memories. Just I think my father just dotes on his girls, spoils us silly. My mother was a disciplinarian, always very strict, but always really pushing us to do good and to be better in life. And I mean, unka, I think ये था, she used to always be like, I don't want you guys growing up ever feeling कि हमने ये नहीं किया या ये नहीं देखा. So we were always the first to do things in our school, amongst our friends as well. Even stuff which used to be taboo, for instance, like swimming and then wearing costumes and whatnot, or even as in a girls' school, young growing up. I feel that really helped me growing up, because when I went abroad to live and I was all alone, I used to see friends around me doing all kinds of weird things, और because इतना suffocate करके बड़े हो रहे थे, वो फट जाते थे, और झूठ बोलना और पूरी रात बाहर होना या पार्टी करना. I'm not saying that we didn't have a good time, but I think सब कुछ देख लिया था, सब कुछ enjoy कर लिया था, दुनिया फिर ली थी, so हमें बहुत ठहराव था. मुझे ये बहुत फर्क नजर आया between my friends and I growing up. Like मुझे में वो नहीं था कि I have to go and try this and I want to go party all night, I want to do this. वो नहीं था. So I think maybe it was because of and also maybe because we were still very close to our mother. Like we're like best friend level close, like discussing everything type close. So I think that also helps. Like it's for me, मुझे ये पता है with my young kids, I'm trying to be a best friend with them, and it's not easy. When a 6-year-old comes to you and says, मेरे school में ये बात हो रही थी, and flan kid talked about having a crush, you're like, oh God, you're too young, you can't do that. And I can't even tell the father. He's very conservative that way. He's very old school. वो तो पागल हो जाए. But then I keep thinking, okay, no, I need to be a friend. I need to be a friend. इसको मुझसे डर नहीं लगना चाहिए. She needs to be able to come and talk to me, to be able to tell everything to me. So I think I'm trying to follow a lot of what my mother did with us. And I always say to her, if I can even be half the mother you were to us, I'll think I've done a good job, inshallah.
So was it difficult for you to move back from Canada to Pakistan?
No, it was my own choice actually. My parents didn't want me to move. वो तो चाह रहे थे कि मैं ना move because I got a really good offer over there, and they said, इधर whatever, like क्या future है, उधर जाओ 2-3 साल काम करो, then eventually come back. Because I was the youngest child, I felt कि my parents had aged beyond their years while all 3 of us were out. And वो एक उदासी होती थी घर में. And एक दफ़ा मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने मुझे बताया, मैं तुम्हारे घर गई, जो एक दफ़ा इतनी रौनकों लाइटों से भरा होता था. And I went inside and lounge की लाइटें बंद थी, corridors की बंद थी, and your parents were lying in a room अंधेरे में. And that I'll never forget this line. That broke my heart, because every time we used to visit, वो भी करते थे और हम भी जब घर जाते थे, I used to feel कि I see that extra wrinkle, I see that white hair coming, and I see that थकाव आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. So मुझे ये बहुत feel होता था. And then when I graduated, I was like, I'm coming back. I want to be with you. बाकी 2 बड़े बाहर हैं. You don't deserve to be alone. And they were like, नहीं, you stay there, you work. And I was conflicted for a while. I remember I asked my khala. She lives in Houston. And she said, beta, I said, job opportunities idhar behtar hain, future idhar behtar hai, magar dil udhar hai mera, and anything's wrong if I don't go back, what should I do? She said, always remember, जब भी when you go back, या जो भी फैसला करो, अगर नीयत उसकी सही होगी ना, you will see कि अल्लाह ताला कितने रास्ते तुम्हारे लिए खोलता है. सिर्फ अपनी नीयत के ऊपर फैसला करो. And I kid you not, Aisha, I kid you not. I came back and it was amazing for my personal life, for my career. I met the love of my life here. I mean, alhamdulillah. I think कि उस एक नियत की वजह से मुझे इतना मिला है कि यार माँ बाप बूढ़े अकेले ना हो. So I think, this for me was a great decision, really great decision. It's very, I think it was all emotional and spiritual.
Okay, so finally, what would you like to tell aspiring and young journalists in Pakistan, especially the young women?
Yeah, be smart, read up a lot, be tech friendly. because I'm not, and I feel कि बड़ा मसला है. कल का future जो है, that's all, it's all in your digital media. It's all your digital. I mean, I feel print is eventually getting redundant. Electronic भी हो जाएगा redundant. आपको you need to be really good with your technical skills. Have your own channels. Be good on social media. Like just get yourself out there. Start writing. Investigative journalism, I feel, is something that really needs more dedicated people exploring that. So if you're smart and you have the energy, get into investigative journalism. And रगड़ा खाने से ना डरिएगा. मुझे बहुत कोफ्त होती है जब मैं देखती हूँ यंग बच्चों को कि बस यार आते ही सैलरी ज़बरदस्त हो जाए, वो डबल फिगर में हो जाए और काम ना कोई कह करने को. यार ये नहीं करना ना. रगड़ा खाना है. Get used to being a nobody for the first decade of your career. It's okay. And then you will inshallah get those results. You will see it will be fruitful. रगड़े से ना डरें, मेहनत से ना डरें. Don't try to take a shortcut कि मैं कल ही famous हो जाऊँ, कल ही मैं अरबपति बन जाऊँ और ये सारा कुछ हो जाए. इस तरह नहीं होता. So you have to be, I think, you have to be sensible and you have to be patient and then give it your all. It's a brilliant field. It has so much scope in it and it's so rewarding. It's really rewarding. So if you do put your heart and soul into this, I find a lot of people आके बात करते हैं and they're looking for quick fame. They're looking for quick money and इस तरह नहीं है. किसी भी फील्ड में इस तरह नहीं होगा और इसमें तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. So I mean, if you have the energy, the patience and the commitment, give it your all and you'll find that you love waking up every morning because you love what you do.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
YouTube पर Googly News देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly News TV टाइप करें. Googly News के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए. YouTube पेज पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए. आपको हर नई वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा. YouTube पर Googly News देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly News TV टाइप करें. Googly News के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए. YouTube पेज पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियोस से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए. आपको हर नई वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा.